How did Roman engineers build bridges? Have you ever wondered how the Romans managed to construct such impressive bridges that have stood the test of time? Roman engineers were truly remarkable in their approach to bridge construction. Their techniques not only helped expand the Roman Empire but also played a key role in the growth of cities. Let's take a closer look at how they built these incredible structures. One of the main features of Roman bridges was the use of the semicircular arch design. This shape allowed 4 longer spans compared to traditional stone beams. The arches were made from wedge-shaped stones called voussoirs, which fit perfectly together to create a strong structure. This design provided greater durability than wooden bridges, which were more common in earlier times. When it came to materials, Roman engineers primarily used stone for their bridges. Early on, some bridges were made of wood, but by the 2nd century before Christ, stone became the preferred choice. They also developed a special type of mortar known as pozzolana, made from ground volcanic rock. This mortar was essential for binding the stones together and ensuring the bridges remained stable. To build bridges over rivers, especially those with soft beds, Roman engineers employed a technique called cofferdams. These were temporary enclosures made from wooden piles driven into the riverbed. The cofferdam was sealed with clay, allowing them to pour concrete inside. This created a solid foundation for the bridge piers. Strong piers were crucial for supporting multiple arches in longer bridges. Engineers aimed to build these piers on solid rock whenever possible. If rock was not available, they would use cofferdams to create a stable base. Constructing the arches involved first building a wooden framework, known as centering, to hold the stones in place until the mortar set. Once the arch was stable, the framework was removed, leaving behind a sturdy structure. Roman military engineers were particularly skilled at building bridges quickly. For instance, during Julius Caesar's campaigns, his engineers constructed a bridge over the Rhine River in just 10 days. This ability to build rapidly was vital for military operations. In addition to stone arch bridges, Roman engineers also created pontoon bridges. These temporary structures were made by laying boats across rivers and connecting them with planks. They were useful when a quick solution was needed. The construction of bridges significantly influenced Roman city planning. By connecting cities with trade routes, bridges facilitated the movement of goods and people. This infrastructure was essential for the prosperity of Roman cities. In summary, the ability of Roman engineers to build robust and lasting bridges showcased their ingenuity and skill. These bridges not only supported military efforts but also contributed to the economic and social development of the Roman Empire.